everyone, my name is Anna and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making an iced Irish coffee. St. Patrick's Day is just around the corner and I find like this is the perfect recipe to start your day if you're really into themes. And here in the States we celebrate so many holidays from around the world, and it's the best thing because I definitely love to learn about the different cultures, and I find like an Irish coffee is the best way to start St. Patrick's Day. This is kind of like a spiked coffee because we have a little bit of whiskey. Normally Irish coffee is served hot, but I live in Miami and it is 95 degrees every single day. It is really hot here every single day of the year, and this is just how I make mine. I don't know if it's traditional or not, but this is just how I make it, and it's absolutely delicious. So you're going to need some freshly brewed coffee. Mine has been chilled in the refrigerator just because this is an iced coffee. You're going to need some very good Irish whiskey, a little bit of brown sugar. You're going to need some whipped cream. I'm just using this one like the ready-made whipped cream, but if you have whipped cream on hand, you can just whisk it for a little bit, not until it's really firm like this one. I like mine a little bit looser, and then I just like to add some chocolate shavings on top, but it's absolutely optional. I have a shaker. I have a little bit of ice in here because again, I want this really cold, and this just comes together so quickly, and it is so fantastic. Okay, that should be enough coffee for me. I'm going to add the whiskey. You can add as little as much as you like. I'm not judging. And then we're going to add our brown sugar. Again, you can add as little or as much as you like. I like mine fairly sweet because I like my coffee sweet. So that's why. Okay. You gotta make sure it's sealed in there, and then we just shake. Get up. And now we serve it. Really. Look how beautiful. Come on. It gets really nice and frothy. I'm actually gonna get some of the froth that's in here because I do want some of it. Top it with a little bit of whipped cream. Let me see if I can do it here. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Let me loosen it up a little bit. It's kind of like a last minute idea, but looks like it's gonna work. Okay, and now I'm just going to do a few little chocolate shavings right on top. And this is my iced Irish coffee. Look how beautiful. Look at that. Look at the little foamy top and then the whipped cream. Mix it so the cream. This will for sure get you very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed how to make this iced Irish coffee. It's absolutely delicious. If you're hosting a little St. Patrick's Day party and you're having a little bit of a brunch and you want to serve this, I'm sure your guest will love it because it's delicious. It's just like a regular iced coffee with a little bit of very good Irish whiskey. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.